Your flexbox items are not aligning the way you want, then let me give you a quick, short and smart way to solve this. To align items properly, we will use our double-edged sword, which is justify content in CSS. I have a parent container which has 3 child elements nested inside it. We will use justify content and place them in different positions. Our left hand side we have our elements in the UI, and in the right hand side we have our code editor. Let's apply the first value, which is justify content flex start, and this is our first value. Let's save and see the changes. Nothing has changed, right? Because whenever we write display flex to our container, these properties by default applied and our items are already in the start position. Now let's change our item position from start to center. And for that we just need to change the justify content property to center, and here it is. And now we can see that our items are center aligned. Now let's move our items to the end of the axis. We will just change this center to end, and we can see that our items are aligned at the end of the axis. We can see that there is a lot of space left over here. Let's play with that space as well. Now we will use justify space between to insert this leftover space between our elements. So here and here we will be inserting the space. Let's change the property to space between, and now we can see that the space has been inserted between our elements. If we want to distribute this space evenly within our elements, we will use space evenly. And that's a wrap, guys. If you like the content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.